Hi, my name is Atlet Alondra Gutierrez Hernandez, and I'm going present organizing a classmate. First, place where it will meet organizing. We should get a place, others where can relational recreative activities and to practice the place, for example, the park. We can create a picnic and play games in which we can move around. The zoo. We can learn about animal life in nature around us. The swimming pools. There is a place where we can do different activities such as swimming racers, who can you do thinking of faster. 2. The number of people will come. Due to the COVID-19 virus pandemic, it will, if necessary, to reduce the number of people invited. Since it directed for every young a place to security measures and really research especially. The correct use of marks, the use of the antibacterial gel, the use of temperature. Then only thing 20 goes will directed. 3. The kinds of food you like. Personality are the perfect scent-hater menu. For example, salad, vegetable desserts, a fruit cocktail, fruit and water, and it's important to mind to eat wisely, diet and to hail it. The source of restaurants you prefer. I would be more emphasized for ex-students and classmates to reach. Home had food from home, as it's very much more hygienic. Thank you so much.